Ever wondered why sometimes your actions and beliefs don't align, particularly in the sphere of network marketing? Well, there's a term for that: cognitive dissonance. It's a psychological theory that points to the unease or discomfort we feel when our actions are at odds with common sense. Why do distributors attempt to promote nutritional products when competition for these products are all around them at big box stores, drugstores, and grocery stores? When common sense confronts our emotional decisions, some distributors tend to double down on their bad decisions, thus putting them in a state of cognitive dissonance. Picture yourself standing at the intersection of what you do and what your common sense tells you makes good business sense. It's like being pulled in two directions at once, creating a tension that can be quite uncomfortable. Now let's bring this concept into the world of network marketing. Distributors often find themselves in situations where they are promoting products or services that may not align with common business sense and basic market research. This contrast can lead to cognitive dissonance, causing stress, doubt, and even guilt for trying to promote what is commonly called in the profession "Me Too" products. Cognitive dissonance is not just a psychological theory, it's a reality that many network marketers face when they make decisions based upon emotions and not market potential and the true upside customer trends. So how can they navigate this tricky, hyped-up terrain? The short answer: it is probably not a good idea to promote products that customers can purchase on Amazon, such as nutritional and consumable products. Doesn't that make common business sense? As network marketing team builder Dale Calvert has recently said, consumable product network marketing companies are blockbuster. They just don't know it yet. When you consider it is estimated that 90% of the American population has an Amazon Prime account. If you like nutritional products, be a customer. Does it really make sense to attempt to build a business competing with Amazon? So how does cognitive dissonance affect network marketing distributors? Well, let's paint a picture. Imagine you're a distributor in a network marketing company. You're told to promote a product, but deep down you have doubts about its effectiveness, quality, and you know similar products are common and available everywhere offline and online. This internal conflict, promoting something you don't fully believe in, is what we call cognitive dissonance. That is why experienced successful network marketers look for products that are timely with little or no competition, but a high desire exists in the marketplace. It's akin to driving with one foot on the gas and the other on the brake. Now, it's not just about the products. Are you working with the right leaders that have a proven track record of success? Cognitive dissonance can also occur when distributors are encouraged to use selling tactics they feel are pushy or manipulative, or working with those with leadership titles but have no track record of developing full-time earners. They might be told that these manipulative tactics are necessary for success, but their personal values may tell them otherwise, and they find themselves asking themselves, why am I listening to someone with no real track record of team building? The friction between these two perspectives can create a psychological discomfort that's hard to shake off. The only way to remedy this situation is get in front of the right product trend with the right team. Does that make business sense to you? The stress and dissatisfaction stemming from this cognitive dissonance can be significant. Many believe this is the #1 reason most people never fulfill their true potential with the network marketing business model. It can lead to reduced motivation and productivity, or even cause some distributors to question their involvement in network marketing altogether. It is not the business model that creates this uncomfortableness. It is the fact most people are attempting to promote the wrong products at the wrong time in history. Does this make sense? Network marketing success stories are very well documented, so it is obviously not the business model that has challenges for those that understand how to choose the right opportunity and right team. But remember, cognitive dissonance isn't necessarily a bad thing. It can act as a catalyst for change, inspiring distributors to pivot and seek out timely opportunities and teams with a proven track record of success. These teams will have systems in place that anyone with a real desire should be able to implement, duplicate, and create business growth and financial success. So cognitive dissonance in network marketing is a real phenomenon. It's an internal tug of war between distributors' internal common sense and the story they have been sold by those they thought were real leaders in their company. The struggle is real. The battle between the story they were pitched and Appy have bought and their common business sense can be a tough one for network marketers. Making a pivot to a company that makes business sense is difficulty. But in the real world, leaders pivot. In network marketing, most that we call leaders are afraid to pivot. In this brief journey, we've explored a complex psychological concept and its impact on network marketing distributors. We've seen how cognitive dissonance can create internal conflict for distributors, causing them to grapple with contrasting beliefs and actions. The repercussions of this dissonance can be profound, affecting their success and satisfaction in the industry, and keep them stagnant and with minimal business growth. By gaining a deeper understanding of cognitive dissonance, network marketing distributors can better navigate these challenges, aligning their actions with their beliefs and common sense. The stories are well documented of network marketing distributors that were in a state of cognitive dissonance for years, and then made the pivot, finding the right opportunity and team at the right time in history, and have been able to move forward and create life-altering success. If this information has made sense for you, you will want to read the article. Never underestimate the difficulty of changing false beliefs by facts. The link to the article is in the description of this video. The direct link is www.mlmsuccess.com/flexible-mlm-belief. If this video has made you rethink the network marketing opportunity you are building and the time, do yourself a favor and go read the article. Never underestimate the difficulty of changing false beliefs by facts. Your successful future depends on your understanding of cognitive dissonance and how and why. This is the missing piece for most network marketing distributors' success. Please hear me. If you are a hardworking network marketing distributor, you are one of the few in the marketing that are actually doing the work, not just talking the talk, and your team and income is not growing at the level you feel it should be. It is because of your cognitive dissonance. If that doesn't change, it will never change. You are on a path to network marketing burnout, but you can make the change now that others before you have, and put yourself on a path that will lead to the success you deserve. Please click the link in the description and read the article.